All right, so here we're gonna be working on a gaming laptop that's not working. It's not charging. One of my viewers sent it in, so well, he didn't send it in. He brought it here, so I'm gonna see what's going on with it. All right, so first let's connect the right here. Let's connect the laptop, and let's see what it does. Where's the power button? Nothing. It's not doing anything, so I'm not seeing anything on the board. Let me go ahead and open it up and see what's going on. Pretty dirty. See a lot of dust bunnies everywhere. Trying to look for anything that is not normal. Look at that. I don't know if you're able to see. Hold on. That charge port has a hole the whole way through. Just comes back here. And not only that, look at this. Got pushed in all the way. Look at this. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Let me take this board out. So here's that board out. There's our bad charge port. The thermal paste on these GPU and CPU are very, very dry. See that? It just flakes off, but we'll take care of that later. Get this thing a clean up. Let's see what we can do about that charge port. Let's see if I even have it. All right, there's the port that we have to remove. This thing's gonna smoke up, so try to keep your distance so you don't get any of the smoke, okay? We'll put some flux on that shit first. Or else I'm going nowhere. That looks funky. Very suspicious. But I should get it done. Get that out of the way. Get this out of the way. There we go. So we are good to solder in the new port. That is brand new. This is not a used port. I don't use used parts, only brand new. So let's go ahead and see if it actually is right. It should go right on top. Look at that. Like a glove. Like Ace Ventura would say, like a glove. Look at that. Flush. Now we need to solder it into place. So it's gonna be a little tricky because it's over on the other side and it needs to have pressure. So I'm gonna have to hold it down with one hand and we need to solder something in there. So let's try to get one of these legs on the side. So how am I gonna do this? I'm fucking burn my finger right here. Beautiful. Now let me get that other leg. Put some flux down. Let's see, we get this one. Did I get it? Yep, just needs a little bit more. Make sure not to burn the plastic on the connector. There you go, look at that. Beautiful. Add a little bit more on this side. Nice. Now we have to concentrate on these 3 back ones. So you see how the pins, they don't go all the way through, they're not supposed to. It's gotta be popping out like that. So let's tack them down. We can't be cheap on the solder either. I'm not cheap on it, I don't care. I'll waste all of it, I don't care. Put a whole pound of this shit. Just want it to be making a solid connection. And there we go. Let me clean it up really quick and let's see how it looks. Look at that. That shit is solid. That's it. We can remove all of this tape around and assemble it. And I'm gonna clean it up. But before we do any of that, let's not forget our little friend here. Dried up thermal paste. So let's clean it up really quick. Enough to cover this. All right. We're gonna do the second one. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's connect the power cord. There we go. Now let's connect. Let's press the power button. We're getting a red light, like a charging light. There you go. It's charging. We got the orange light. It's connected, and we have image. We're done here.